So me personally, I don't have an issue using the Hypnotic Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax. I think it's important to remember that a lot of our clients don't exfoliate as they should, don't hydrate as they should, don't moisturize. So what does that mean? That means the skin's more dry. And with the legs, guys, it will suck up so much moisture in hard wax. Look at this. You see those hairs? This is good wax. It picks up the hairs. So that's why we always like to tell ourselves, like, we have to understand what we're doing before we do it. We can't always blame it on the wax. Sometimes it is technique. Sometimes it is lack of knowledge. But just know this. I don't have an issue using any hard wax. I may have complications getting to know how to use it, but then after a while, I make that wax my bitch. That's just my mission in life with every hard wax. That's why I do these reviews for you guys. Sexy Smooth Wax is 50% off, and then you get to save an extra 20% off using code WAX and Queen when you check out. That's 70% off in total. That brings you to about like $10 a bag, which is amazing. And as we all can see, this wax is picking up hairs. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's not cracking on me. Another helpful tip is to make sure that your AC is turned off. Do not leave your AC on if you're doing leg services, especially if your wax bed is right next to the AC. That's a helpful trick. Don't forget it. And then, of course, guys, make sure that you do cleanups if necessary. Sometimes with hard wax, you have to do cleanups. It's not like soft wax. That's why most waxers prefer to use soft wax. But it's a matter of preference. Like, whatever you want to do, you do. And then as you're done doing the services that you're waxing, follow up with aftercare or something to prevent ingrowns, bumps, breakouts, and, of course, moisturize that skin. I hope this answered your question. Now go and get you some wax and try it out for yourself. Bye.